Hi and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to edit a sent email in Microsoft Outlook. Now, editing a sent email in Outlook depends on what you mean by edit. I'll show you how to go about all of that in a few minutes. Alright, so first of all, head over to your Google Chrome browser or any browser of your choice and click on Microsoft Outlook or search for it, and it will take you to this page where you get to either click on create an account or get yourself properly logged in if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, ensure that you type in all of your information as it will be required of you to set up your account. If you do not already have an account, do well to click on create your account over here, and when you do, you go through all of the processes of creating an account to navigate you to your proper page of the Microsoft Outlook, which will look something like this. All right, editing the sent email in Microsoft Outlook depends on what you mean by edit. Once an email has been sent, you cannot actually truly change it. All right, so the recipient's version cannot be changed since it has been received. However, what you can actually do is that Outlook offers a few related options that are often confused with editing. So this is a clear breakdown on how to edit a sent email in Outlook. The first thing you want to do is open your Microsoft Outlook on your PC or web browser. When you do that, after you've opened it up, go to your sent items folder. So this is what mine looks like. When you open that, double click the particular message you want to edit. Let's say I want to edit this one. I'll double click it. It will take me to this page. Now on this page, you click on actions, click on these three dotted lines. All right, more actions. When you click on that, just go to the options to edit your message, make all of the edits that you want to do on your message, and when you're done, you just click on save changes. This is how you can simply edit your message for corrections or record keeping. So when you want to resend this message, all of the corrections you've made is already here and you can send it out to other recipients without having to do so much or start up from the beginning. So this is how you can edit sent message or sent email in Outlook, in Microsoft Outlook, efficiently. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to easily and quickly edit your sent email in Outlook without any ado. Until next time, thank you and bye for now.